Oh, can you send me a song too?
What kind of
I
song?
don't know. Something that resembles Myron. Oh, he's so cute.
He's like an adorable little kid dancing when he's older, and it's kind of creepy.
Sorry, just like stuffing your pants.
That's
It just looks like random dance moves right now, but he's listening to the music.
He's been doing some random dance moves.
Yeah, but he's listening to the music too.
He looks good making like stuff up.
I know, right?
Yeah, he does.
Ocho, ocho. Ocho, ocho anymore?
I wonder what happened to that. See, he's just doing some random stuff, and he's just like.
Because he's
chilling.
amazing. What?
Are you just like making like random stuff up?
Yeah.
Holy
I
crap.
freestyle until I remember it.